Hi baby dolls, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys a beautiful unit by Yolissa Hair. I received a wig cap, a comb for the baby hairs, a silk scarf, and a band with some eyelashes. You guys, all of the goodies that you need for the installment. I was obsessing over the curls on this unit and the lace. This is a HD lace. Y'all, beautifully already pre-plucked for you. I was so hyped about this because, as you guys know, I hate plucking. Whatever that can save me some time from any type of wig installation, give it to me, okay? Like, please. This already came in the middle part for me. And like I said, it was pre-plucked and pre-styled, basically. And this is the construction of the unit. Alright you guys, so here we are ready to install this unit. And you guys, I'm obsessed with the curls. As you guys can see, it comes with literally like curls itself, so I don't have to do no type of curling. I may, of course, go in and like do something just to fix something, you know, just to make it my own. When we put the wig on, we will see. But look at the curls, y'all, like literally curled all the way through. So I'm excited about this because y'all already know styling your hair can be a lot. So the fact that this wig is kind of like pre-styled for you is really nice. I didn't want to bleach the knots. I was gonna bleach the knots actually, but I didn't want to do that because I would have had to wash the wig and it would have taken the curls out. So I didn't want to do that. So I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna make this lace look natural as possible, the knots look as natural as possible. This is a thin HD lace, so you know that's a plus. It's gonna look natural either way. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually use my Ebb & Wander lace bond adhesive glue. This is what I'll be using to install the unit. I'm gonna use my concealer to put in the lace. Okay, you can use concealer or you can use foundation, but I'm using a little bit of my concealer and I'm going to put it all throughout the lace, especially in front of the hairline area, because you want that to look like your scalp. Okay, so we're going to make this look as natural as possible. I do want to bleach the knots in the near future because, as you guys know, bleaching your knots can make the lace look more like scalp. So the knots don't look too dark. They're not really big. So I think that I can get away with, you know, without bleaching the knots this time around. Because look how natural this lace look. It's very much HD. It does come in the middle part and it is pre-plucked slightly for you already. So we're going to see. I'm talking. I just want to say, like, let's just clap for the lace being plucked. I mean, I did not pluck this. It looks like I plucked this, but it's already done for me. Like, let's just clap for that. Because one thing about it, I hate plucking. Do you hear me? Like, and I can't even get it out because I'm so excited. But, and you guys also make sure you cut that extra lace that you don't need, okay? Because you need your lace to fit comfortably ear to ear, so you don't need that. Just cut it so that you can put your hair behind your ear, okay? Wow. Okay. So I am going to have to just apply a little bit more glue in certain areas, but look how good that looks. And I'm still melting down the lace. So if you see the lace still, I'm still melting it down. No worries, y'all. I'm going to show y'all how I do that. I do have the Wander adhesive glue spray. This is the spray version adhesive spray. And then of course I use the glue to melt down the lace. But I'm gonna use the spray too as well to melt it down even more. But do you guys see the curls? Like, I'm not going to like comb them out yet until I get my lace, you know, all the way laid down. But like, this hair is pre-done already for you. Like, I'm so excited. So to lay down the lace a little bit more, like, I'm so obsessed that I don't even have to pluck. Like, y'all don't understand how good this makes me feel. Like, I feel so good about this. I'm going to put a little bit of this down, and I'm going to use band right here. This is going to help. If you get this in your package with your wigs, use it, y'all. I always used to get this and never knew what to do with it. Now I know. This actually lays your lace, melts your lace down even more. So when you're done gluing it down, make sure you put this down. It melts it even more. So when I take it off, it's going to look seamlessly. You're not going to see the lace. Like, it's going to give scalp. Oh my goodness. Hold up, wait a minute. Like, wow. What? Yeah, I ain't never been so excited over some hair in so long. Like, I mean, of course I do a lot of hair reviews, but I haven't got excited about some hair in so freaking long. What the actual fuck? I'm not even gonna touch the curls. Like I was telling y'all before, like I may need to curl something myself, but from the looks of it, I don't have to do anything, and I'm not gonna do anything because I don't want to mess up the flow of the curls. Alright, you guys, this is the finished product. I am done with the baby hairs. Like y'all saw, I was kind of like undecisive about if I wanted to do baby hairs or not because the lace looked so good. But you guys, I got you guys to see what baby hairs look like with the wig and then without, so you guys can definitely choose you know, what you want to do with the hair. But all in all, a beautiful unit. I would definitely say 10/10 across the board. Like the density of the hair, the texture of the hair, great quality, everything, the length. I could just rub my hands through this all night because it's so freaking soft, and the density is perfect, the length is perfect. Everything will be listed down below about this unit. I would definitely say purchase it because this is pretty much already like prepped and styled for me. Like, I didn't even style the hair, I didn't even pluck the hair. I just put the wig on and just adjusted it to my head, and it fits so snug. It's comfortable ear to ear, and it's just completely soft. There's no shedding. There's literally nothing bad I can say about this hair. Like, I'm just really in love. Cannot wait to take pictures. Like, look how beautiful and fluffy and just wow. I feel like all hair should come pre-styled or curled. Yeah, giving. So this is it. Like, I'm done. That was very quick and easy. Love it. If you're a girl that don't like to pluck, you don't like to curl your hair, this wig is for you. Oh yeah, let me know what you guys think. The link will be down below to the wig. And yeah, that's it. I love you, baby dolls, so much, and I'll see you all in my next video. Mwah.